What kind of rugs are good for a dorm room? Are you wondering what kind of rugs will make your dorm room feel like home? Let's talk about the best options to keep your space comfortable and stylish. First, comfort and warmth are essential. Dorm floors can be cold and hard, so a soft rug can really change the vibe. Look for rugs with a thick pile, like shag rugs. They provide a cozy surface to relax on after a long day of classes. Next, size and portability are important. Dorm rooms are usually small, so you want a rug that fits well without making the space feel cramped. A good size for a dorm rug is around 5 by 7 feet, but always measure your room first. Since you might move in and out each semester, consider lightweight rugs that are easy to pack and transport. Durability and ease of cleaning are also key factors. Dorm life can get messy, and spills are bound to happen. Choose rugs made from tough materials like nylon, polyester, wool, or organic cotton. These materials can handle heavy foot traffic and are easier to clean. Some rugs are even machine washable, which is a huge plus for busy students. Style and personalization should not be overlooked. A rug can add color, pattern, or texture that reflects your personality. Whether you prefer vibrant, patterned rugs or simple, natural tones, there are plenty of options to match your taste. A well-chosen rug can tie your whole room together and make it feel more inviting. In summary, the best rugs for dorm rooms combine comfort, appropriate size, durability, easy maintenance, and personal style. Look for soft and plush options to keep your feet warm, lightweight rugs for easy moving, and materials that are simple to clean. With the right rug, your dorm can become a cozy and welcoming space that supports your academic success and enhances your overall college experience.